This is the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. It's Wednesday morning, April 15th, 2026. The stories are real. The voice is AI. Read more at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here's what's making news. Green energy breaks. American Fusion, Inc. appoints Samuel Reed as Government Strategy and Procurement Advisor. Reed will support efforts to secure government funding and institutional contracts, leveraging his experience in government contracting and defense procurement. American Fusion aims to utilize government and defense channels for funding and long-term institutional adoption. For more information, visit AmericanFusionEnergy.com.
Rock Breaks, Nevada Organic Phosphate Inc. issues 353,035 shares for research and marketing services agreements. The British Columbia-based phosphate exploration company entered into agreements for equity research and marketing-related services, including research coverage and introductions to equity analysts, graphic design, branding, and website development. The company will issue the shares at a deemed price of $0.14 per share, subject to a hold period of 4 months and 1 day.
Biomed News Breaks, Mind Biotherapeutics Corp., CSE, MBIO, Frankfurt, WF6, OTCQB, MBQIF engages venture liquidity providers for market-making services. Mind Biotherapeutics Corp., CSE, MBIO, Frankfurt, WF6, OTCQB, MBQIF has engaged venture liquidity providers for market-making services. The company aims to maintain an orderly trading market for its common shares through this service, conducted by W.D. Latimer Co. Limited. MindBio will pay $5,000 per month over a 12-month term. VLP holds no direct or indirect interest in the company or its securities.
Biomed News Breaks, Heartbeam Inc. launches proposed public offering to support commercialization and AI initiatives. Heartbeam Inc. has announced the launch of a proposed public offering to support its commercialization and AI initiatives. The medical technology company aims to use the net proceeds to advance its FDA-cleared 12-lead synthesized ECG system, develop its extended wear patch and heart attack detection projects, enhance AI capabilities, and bolster working capital. Titan Partners will serve as the sole bookrunner for the offering. Tech Media Breaks, a 2Z Cust2Mate Solutions Corp. reports record smart card orders exceeding $175 million and expands global retail media logistics operations. Tech Media Breaks, a 2Z Cust2Mate Solutions Corp. reports record smart card orders exceeding $175 million, with over 17,000 units for top retailers in Israel and Central America. The company delivered 500 smart carts in Q1 2026 and expects all partners to have deployments by Q3 2026. A2Z also saw 1 million transactions processed, retail media revenue, and expansion into Bulgaria and Panama. For more information, visit www.Cust2Mate.com.
Lexaria's new animal study aims to expand valuable intellectual property. Lexaria Bioscience Corp. announces a new animal study aiming to expand its valuable intellectual property. The study will evaluate formulation enhancements using dihydrotech semaglutide and dihydrotech CDD compositions to potentially stake new IP claims. Contracts with the CRO have been signed, and dosing is expected to begin within 60 days. CEO Richard Christopher highlights the growing importance of improved drug delivery technology in the pharmaceutical industry.
Save-On Wireless launches inaugural 2026 Q1 wireless savings report. Save-On Wireless launches its inaugural 2026 Q1 wireless savings report, analyzing over 84,000 postpaid deals daily across major carriers. The report reveals that the lowest total cost of ownership is often not the most heavily advertised device discount, potentially saving consumers over $1,100 on average over 36 months. For more details, visit Save on Wireless's website.
NeuroOne Medical Technologies Corporation collaborates with the University of Minnesota to study next-generation epilepsy therapies using the NB SEEG-based platform. Led by Dr. Sandapan Patti, the program aims to deliver novel therapeutics locally into specific brain regions to enhance efficacy and reduce side effects. This collaboration may lead to human studies, potentially revolutionizing precision epilepsy treatment.
Mitch Gold, nutrition expert, positions NPI as the ideal partner for entering the U.S. market. Nutritional Products International, NPI, is highlighted as a strategic partner for international companies entering the U.S. market. Led by founder and CEO Mitch Gold, a renowned nutrition expert. Gold's evolution of distribution platform simplifies the complex process of market entry, addressing logistics, regulatory compliance, branding, retail placement, and marketing. NPI's integrated approach aims to streamline product launches and foster long-term brand growth in the competitive U.S. market. Key Crew Media selects Florida Keys Real Estate Group as verified expert for luxury waterfront. Key Crew Media has chosen Florida Keys Real Estate Group as a Key Crew verified expert for luxury waterfront properties in the Florida Keys. Led by principal broker Kristen Brenner, the team brings over $600 million in closed sales expertise. Known for their deep community roots and institutional knowledge, they offer insights on exclusive estates, market dynamics, and ultra-luxury second homes in this unique market.
Culbertson Holdings named Key Crew verified expert in commercial real estate capital markets. Culbertson Holdings LLC, led by founder Colby Culbertson, has been named the Key Crew verified expert in commercial real estate capital markets by Key Crew Media. Culbertson will provide data-driven analysis on capital markets, deal structuring, and investment opportunities in Texas. With over $500 million in closed transactions across 12 states, Culbertson Holdings specializes in creative capital structures and serves experienced operators, developers, and investors seeking knowledgeable capital partners.
Justin McKenzie shares vision for Texas innovation on Change and Creativity podcast. Justin McKenzie, host of the Building Texas show, shared his vision for Texas innovation on the Change and Creativity podcast. The conversation with host Judy Oscom highlighted how local leaders and entrepreneurs are shaping Texas's growth through storytelling and opportunity. McKenzie's mission to showcase Texas as a hub for growth and entrepreneurialism is evident in his interviews with mayors and new initiatives like Vote Like a Texan and Work Like a Texan.
Innovate Tech Inc. begins trading on OTCQB under symbol IOTCF, expanding access for U.S. investors and OTCF. Innovate Tech Inc. announced today that its common shares have begun trading on the OTCQB market in the United States under the symbol IOTCF, expanding access for U.S. investors. CEO Craig Milne highlighted the company's strong operational progress in 2025, driven by increased revenues and the successful integration of Keystone Labs, Inc. The company is focused on continued organic growth and expanding service offerings in 2026.
Oh, thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.